Hello, everybody. My name is Agustin Sanchez. I work at the Downtown Library at the Adult Learning Center, and I am very excited because summer's here, and you know what that means. Discovery Summer. And this year we have so many activities for you to do and so many prizes that you're gonna really enjoy. I have this video prepared for you so you can check it out. Okay, so let me break down this Discovery Summer for you. First of all, the dates go from June 1st to July 31st. So starting June 1st, you can go ahead and sign up for this. And let me tell you how to do this. Step one, you have to visit your favorite library. Some examples of my favorite libraries are the Clifton Library, the Deer Park Library, which is newly renovated. You have the Loveland Library. You can always visit us here at the main downtown library. There's the Bond Hill Library, and so many other to choose from. So the best way to find out which branch of the library is closest to you, you can always visit the Cincinnati Public Library website. The address for that is going to be chpl.org. And what you do is you scroll down all the way to the bottom and you see a section that says services. And under services, the first thing you see is hours and locations. If you click on that, you can see all the branches that the library has, all 41 branches. And you can either explore all of them or you can come here to the top and you can enter your zip code. For example, our zip code here is 45202. So if I click search for that zip code, it's going to give me which libraries are closest to me. Okay. And of course, the first one that's going to come up is going to be the downtown main library. Then the next one, it says is 1.2 miles approximately, is the West End Library. So this way, you can order the libraries in order from which one is closest to you to which one is furthest. So let's, for example, explore this downtown main library. And it'll give us the hours of operation. It'll give you what events are there. If you scroll down, it's going to have a map. It has the address. So this is a way for you to find out which library is closest to you. You can get directions to it. So you can visit us and sign up for this Discovery Summer Adventure. Right from the moment you sign up, you start receiving prizes. The first thing you're going to get is a book. Okay, you can choose from the selected titles that they have available for you. And you will also be getting a Reds voucher. So everybody will get in both a book and a Reds voucher. And this Reds voucher is good for 2 tickets for this season. And the additional thing you're going to get, if you are under 12 years old, you're going to get a booklet for your activities. And you will also be getting a participation guide. And this is what the participation guide looks like. It gives you tips on how to, write down your goals, how to win prizes by visiting the library and other activities that you can do as well. It gives you other tips as to what activities you can do during the summer to keep it fun and interactive. It has recommendations on books, recommendations on creating good reading habits for everyone. So this is available for you when you sign up for the Discovery Challenge. If you're a teenager, anywhere between 13 years of age and 18 years, you will be getting this cool Discovery Summer Journal. And also, you will be getting your participation guide. So the way the participation guide works for teenagers is kind of like a bingo card where once you complete an activity, you check it off your card, and that way it gets you closer to winning some prizes. On the second side of the guide, it'll give you some ideas for you to write in your journal. And it also gives you some free library resources so you can kickstart this summer fun. How to compete? Well, for kids 12 and under, for each discovery goal completed, you enter to win a grand prize, and that's 3 entries maximum. You cannot enter for more, but you have 3 chances to win something. Additionally, after the third goal is completed, you can choose one of the following completion prizes. a backpack, or a color changing cup. It has to be one or the other. You can't get both of them. It's just one or the other. For teens 13 to 18, complete 5 activities and you enter to win a grand prize. And you also select one of the completion prizes. They're different for the 12 and under. I'll show them to you right now. If you complete 10 activities and you get a second entry to win a grand prize, complete all 16 activities and you get a third entry to win a grand prize. So also you also have a limit of 3 entries per participant. Okay. Now let's see what the completion prizes are. You get a you can choose between a water bottle or a tote bag. Again, it's one or the other. Sorry, those are the rules. Now, you may be asking yourself, what are some of those grand prizes? So far, these are some examples of some of the grand prizes we have available for us. Now, you have to take into account that it depends on what's the availability. Some of these prices may go out before other ones. So check with your local librarian. Also, you have to take into account that some of these prices may only be available to teens, or some of them may only be available for children under 12. So not everyone qualifies for all the prices, but that's something that you can ask your local librarian. And also, if you're looking for additional activities, you can always visit the library. And every day you visit the library, you get a chance to spin the Wonder Wheel, which will have different activities for you to try out. And once you complete those activities, you can win many prizes like buttons and stickers. You can win tattoos. You can win coloring stickers, sparkle mood pencils and pencil top erasers, and bookmarks. So visit your local library every day, spin that wheel, and win some of these prizes. You can also check out the website for more activities. Let me show you how. Okay, so here we are at my favorite website, the chpl.org library, the Cincinnati Public Library website. So if we are here, the way I like to look for events, I like to go to this section right here, the search engine, and change it from catalog to events. And I like to click on the magnifying glass, which will take us to the list of all the events that are available for the library. Now it says here there's 4,003 items. I want to limit those items right now. I don't want to look at all of them. So what I can do is I can apply a filter from this side here. Mhm. And you can you can add a filter by location. You can add a filter by audience, by event type, and there's also programs. And the Discovery Summer is one of our programs, so you can add a filter to only show you the Discovery Summer activities. So let's click on that, and it says here on in parentheses there's 477 activities, right? So okay, this is not applying the filter. Oh, there it is. Sometimes it takes some time. So here we have 477 activities for Discovery Summer. If there's still too many activities for you, you can click on any of the other filters. Maybe you want to check out the one for your local library, um, the type of event, those kind of things. You can add different filters. Mhm. But if you see here, you have every branch is having their own Discovery Summer Kickoff. So you can look at your branch, see what they're doing for that. You can check out other branches if you want to visit other branches, or maybe there's an activity like this Grogu party that's going on in Loveland. Maybe you want to go ahead and take part of it. So if you click on the event, it's gonna open up the page for that event, and it's gonna have the description of that event. And it's basically a kick-off Discovery Summer by attending the Loveland Branch Grogu Party. So create a Grogu-themed crafts while enjoying Star Wars-themed snacks. So it sounds very nice. It's going on between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. in Loveland. If you don't know where the Loveland Library is, here is the address, and you can also find the map and the hours of operation. If we go back to the rest of the events, you can do the same for any of the other events as well. Mount Washington has one as well. Mhm. Paint and plant on the plaza. So there you go, and that's in the downtown main library. So take a look at them. Maybe there's something that will interest you. Maybe there's something that you can discover. So go ahead and visit those events. And if you want to find out more about the Discovery Summer program, you can always go to, again, type the Cincinnati website webpage, chpl.org. But this time you're going to add slash and summer. And you enter that, and it's going to give you the Discovery Summer site within the CHPL library website. And you're going to see there that it starts today, June 1st. Okay, so get out there and start participating. And if you click here, and you can explore this website by categories. You can check the Discovery Summer events, which will take you basically to what I just showed you. It's going to take you to the events website of the library, but it's already going to have the Discovery Summer filter applied. So you would only see the Discovery Summer activities or events that are happening. Again, we went over some of them. You can keep exploring them. I encourage you to do that. You can also check out the Learning app that you can download and explore as well. Mhm. There's some web resources. For example, there's a web page for the Cincinnati Museum Center, Cincinnati Parks, Cincinnati Recreation Commission. And if you're not aware of this, also, you can visit my other video for Lunch and Learn, which has information on the Discovery Pass. The Discovery Pass gives you entrance to many of the museums and Cincinnati parks, so you can take advantage of those. You can reserve those passes and use them also to explore this summer. It's a great opportunity to take advantage of those passes as well. Mhm. There's also a section for summer meals and snacks for youth. So basically, these branches give out summer meals and snacks for youth who qualifies. Basically, children ages 1 to 18 can come in and enjoy a free lunch or a snack. And you can find out some information about the meal service here in the website as well. It's a good service that the library is putting out for everyone out there. And if you want to find out more about the prices and official rules, you can come here to the section. You can read the Discover Summer Sweepstake rules, and you can check out the prices as well, which will be loaded at some point. So here's the website where you can keep coming in, discovering more information on Discover Summer, which again, it's happening starting today. Get out there, enjoy, and learn, discover all summer long. What do you think about that? So many activities, so many prizes, such good prizes. So I say get out there, start doing those activities, start winning those prizes, and enjoy your summer. Thank you very much. That was Agustin Sanchez, and see you next time.